liwanagan natin. Yung sa impeachment hearing sa House Committee on Justice, pinasabi na ni Congresswoman Luistro
Opo, yes po.
ang
That is correct.
record sa AMLA. Tama
AMLA
ba?
bank records, BIR records.
Records bali ITR, income tax returns ni Attorney Man Scarpio.
Yes.
Is it even bank records ba? Di ba?
Or
something
bank
like that.
records
It's AMLA,
included.
under AMLA na, right?
AMLA and bank records, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, AMLA got the records from the banks.
The banks report to AMLA yung mga
AMLA.
suspicious transactions, covered
Right.
transactions, yes.
Right. So it's AMLA's records are actually bank records.
In a sense,
In a sense, but though we do not know because wala naman kayong kopya.
opo, that is
Oo.
correct.
Alam niyo itong due process dito na ikaw, Congresswoman Luistro, talaga hindi ka na nadadala. Ito na naman tayo sa due process eh. Paano tayo magka-due process eh? Yung mga, ang inabla eh, walang kopya. Walang kopya ng kung ano-anong pinagsabihan nyo dyan. Basta na lang kayo clarificatory questions sa mga government agencies na wala namang kopya si VP Sara niyan. Wala rin kopya si Attorney Man Scarpio. Alam niyo ang due process eh, fairness po every step of the way. Yan po ang sinasabi natin na itong impeachment part 2 ng House of Representatives ay ayan na naman, sa totoo lang ay wala na namang fairness. So anong ginawa ng House Committee, Attorney Abayon?
Well, they disclosed what appears to be AMLAC transaction records of Attorney Man Scarpio, which is in violation po of Section 8A of the Anti-Money Laundering Act itself as amended.
Ano mo nga kami, explain ng Tinagalog ha?
Sige, Binisaya
ano
ka,
ba
ma'am.
itong
Kailangan ka.
Binasaya? Bisaya kasi kami. You know. So, ano itong AMLA na provision ng batas?
So yung Section 8A of Anti-Money Laundering Act as amended, very clear po yung batas doon. In the simplest way, kung mabasa po nyo yung provision, absolute confidentiality. Even after the Secretariat or the AMLAC employees leave office, they are not allowed to disclose information that they received during their time of office.
Oh, yan, attorney, pakibasa mo nga yung Section 8A na yan.
Sige po, Section 8A, Information Security and Confidentiality. The AMLAC and its Secretariat shall securely protect information received or processed and shall not reveal in any manner any information known to them by reason of their office. And then wala na pong exceptions yan, even in the latter provisions or latter parts of the law.
Oh, shall
Wala
not
po.
in any manner. Di ba? Hindi pwedeng i-chismis, hindi pwedeng i-email, hindi pwedeng i-post, hindi pwedeng ipa-interview na magdi-disclose in any manner. Di ba? Pero ang sinasabi ng House Committee on Justice si Luistro, na exception daw yung impeachment, attorney. Paki-explain mo nga yan.
So, yan yung position nila, but with all due respect to them, we do not agree because number one, yung cause of action po namin is not the bank secrecy law itself. It's the AMLA itself, Anti-Money Laundering Act, Bank Secrecy Law, and then the Data Privacy Act kasi may mga penal provisions po yun.
Yan yung habla ni Attorney Man Scarpio.
Yes, opo.
Doon sa Fiscal's Office.
So, prohibited po kasi mag-release ng AMLA records. So, since they released it,
they're liable.
may liability po yun under the
Wala ba silang
Anti-Money
liability
Laundering
sa ombudsman? I mean, criminal action lang ang pinahal nyo.
And it's also, si Attorney Man Scarpio is a private individual. Hindi siya nakaupo sa gobyerno. So, napakalaking problema ang kinakaharap ngayon actually ng HOR o si Congresswoman
Dahil sa
Luistro.
confidentiality
Yes.
of bank records. Bakit kaya inaano nila attorney nila Bayon na yung si Luistro ay lagi nilang sinasabi dyan na exception daw yung impeachment na yan.
Sige ma'am, since you asked, discuss ko na din basics of the impeachment if you don't mind.
We have the
Sige.
time.
Yeah.
Sige po. So yung impeachment process kasi that's a two-stage process. Initiation and the impeachment trial proper. So when we say initiation, that's exclusively given to the House of Representatives. Wala po tayong question doon. Pero as to the trial proper itself, that is solely given naman to the Senate Impeachment Trial Court. So currently, we are in the initiation stage pa lang po. And as explained by the House of Representatives themselves, it is akin daw to a preliminary investigation. So pag preliminary investigation po, in a regular preliminary investigation, wala pong power like that of a regular court ang body na yon.
Oo.
Therefore, they cannot use it as part of the exception dun sa banking secrecy or AMLAC laws.
Kasi they are not allowed to conduct a trial there.
Yes.
The Constitution states that the trials shall be the sole power of the Senate.
Yes. Plus, yung clear lang din po sa jurisprudence natin, the only precedent we have is the late Chief Justice Corona's impeachment. So, na-disclose nun yung bank records niya sa Senate Impeachment Court, hindi sa HOR level.
Correct.
So, from there, makita na natin yung difference talaga ng two phases of the impeachment process. So, dito, this is only for determination of probable cause, which is a very low evidentiary requirement. So, yung mga very specific details, that should not have been disclosed. Dapat doon na yun na discuss sa Senate para mapagbangga talaga at talagang makross-examine.
Paano pala nila, anong ginawa nilang reason kung bakit nila sinabpina yung AMLAC records at mga ITR ni Mans Carpio, Attorney Carpio?
I think I'll refrain from answering, ma'am, kasi I'll be defending them in a way.
Okay, ako na lang ha. Kasi yan kasi si Trillanes kasi, mayroon siyang affidavit. Di ba nakita nyo doon, nag-appear siya doon. Na sinabi niya may mga transactions daw si Attorney Mans Carpio na ganito, ganyan. Kaya, ginawang rason yon na ni Kong Luistro na ipasabina yung AMLAC. Yung AMLAC is not, according to the law, shall not reveal in any manner. Di ba? In any manner shall not reveal. Walang exception doon. Kahit doon sa ibaba ng batas, walang exception doon. Ayan, Trillanes, katabi ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. Pag napakulong mo, Ombudsman Remulla, si Martin Romualdez, kakampanya ko, Remulla for President! Boying, pero Boying hindi si John Beck. Hindi Kay Boying Remulla. Yan ang reason why, ginawa nilang reason yan na ipasabpina nila yung AMLAC. Pero, again, may nag-object dyan ng mga congressman. And I agree. Bakit naman wala yan sa complaint? Yung affidavit na yan ni Trillanes. Ngayon lang yan, tumuhaw ba? Kung sabi sa Ilonggo pa, tumuhaw. Bigla na lang sumulpot yan. Tapos, hindi naman yan part ng complaint. Hindi ba kaya nga nag-o-object si Vice Chair ng committee, si Congresswoman Jennifer Lagbay, na we should not add to the complaint. And the committee should not, subpoena documents to add to the records. Yan din ang sinabi ni Congressman Batikan na din yun at practicing lawyer, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez ng Cagayan de Oro at ni Congressman Garbin. Pero siyempre, alam niya naman si Congresswoman Luistro, may AX dahil kay Speaker, may TAX dahil sa Speaker. Wala. Talagang, wala lang. Strike out pa yung manifestation ni Kong Paulo Marcoleta. It was really an objection. Strike out pa from the records. Grabe, Ayun na ako nakakita. Kapwa mo, Congressman, isa strike out pa from the records. Yan ang problema sa due process ni Congresswoman Luistro.
At saka, Mama Bing, may nakita ako dong isang butas dun sa nilabas ng AMLA. Yung sinasabi ng conjugal na pagmamayari or joint account ng mag-asawang Carpio and Duterte, no? Kasi meron doon silang isinama na from 2006 and 2007. I don't know kung ano, nakita ko yon na hindi pa naman kasal si VP Sara at saka si Mans Carpio. Doon pa lang, makikita na po natin na talaga naman, ang gusto lang talagang gawin ng House of Representatives dyan ngayon sa hearing ng impeachment is talaga namang sirain lang ang kanilang kredibilidad at integridad at
Makasakali.
layunin lang makasira. Sa totoo lang.
Totoo
Yun
lang, ang
naman
gusto lang
talaga.
nila, bumaba sa survey si VP Sara para may chance sila sa 2028.
exactly.
Yan talaga ang purpose dyan ng House Committee na yan. Dahil kung tutuusin, ang kailangan mo naman to impeach 16 votes sa Senado. Wala naman kayong 16 votes.
Yeah.
15 lang kayo, minus 1 pa kayo kay JVRC to. Alam mo, mahirap yung mga re-electionist na senador. Pag bumoto pa kayo pabor sa impeachment dyan, baka hindi kayo manalo. Di ba? Baka lang. Ako naman, hindi ko naman sinasabing for certain. Pero syempre, magagalit po yung mga taong ayaw sa impeachment. Tsaka, bakit pa po ba tayo nag-i-impeachment? Hanggang ngayon, may fuel crisis pa, may inflation pa, may unemployment pa, at kaka-jumping jacks ni Bongbong Marcos ay hindi pa rin natatanggal ang VAT at excise tax. Bakit pa tayo nag-i-impeachment sa dami ng problema? Sayang lang po sinasweldo ng mga mamamayan sa inyo.